Fucking Chocolate Land. Stupid. Fucking Chocolate Land. That's how, if Mario was like a legit New Yorker, like he wouldn't have like, woohoo, yeah! He'd be like, fuck you, you motherfucker! Get out of my fucking lane! You're causing a fucking backup over here. God fucking damn it! Go down the the LIE, the Long Island Expressway. Yeah, don't get fucked. That would be Mario. Mario should have been played by Joe fucking Pesci, dude. And Luigi would have been Robert De Niro. There you go. Let's do some de-aging. And let's do this movie. It's gonna be fucking incredible.